Okay, let's have a short recap of today's trade. And it actually hit my TP pretty soon. So I think it took around maybe 7 minutes before it hit my TP. But yeah, so my bias for today was actually bullish. If you look here, we were bullish on the 4 hours, so I marked out this equilibrium from here to there. So we do have a lot of stuff over here, a lot of lines, and yeah, my main confidence for me to go long was just like maybe hit this equilibrium or come into this like order block, as you guys can see over here. Let me just mark it right so that we have this big order block here hourly, which caused the price to go higher, as you guys can see. So that was my main confluence. So if you go on a 50-minute time frame, what happens is that as you guys can see, market open, we saw a bit push to the upside, but market came all the way down and took out these lows and all the way these 50-minute low and touched into this hourly order block that I had marked, as you guys can see over here. But we never hit this equilibrium, so I'm gonna just remove that. I was okay with that. So after that, I went on a 1 minute time frame and I take my trades on 1 minute time frame. So after that, as you guys can see over here, uh, we broke 1 minute structure to the upside over here, and we completely I was looking for disrespectation of this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap. As you guys can see, I had marked that, so price come in and respected that, so I didn't enter any kind of trade over there. So I waited for that. So as you guys can see over here, we completely disrespected this bearish fair value gap, and that was for me to just go long. So I couldn't get an entry over here because the price just went higher. I just waited and I was hoping for this fair value gap to get filled, but that never happened. And we had this other 1 minute fair value gap over here. Let me just show you guys. It's just a little fair value gap. Boom, there. So that's it. We saw tapped into the fair value gap. Bro, it's hard to use this computer without mouse. So as you guys can see, we saw a tap into that. We closed bullish, and I was like, okay, I need, because as you guys can see, it was just 2 weeks to the upside. So after that, I saw this another the next candle tapped into that. I was like, yeah, this is perfect. I just went on and entered over there, and my take profit was actually this high. That was my only take profit, but I did had this other take profits over there. I didn't want it to hold because that wasn't kind of like since I took my trade on 1 minute time frame, I wasn't gonna put my stop loss, like my take profit, sorry, on a hourly time frame, because look, we were into this hourly consolidation area, and this is just a wick to the upside and to the downside. So that's why my take profits was my only take profit was just based on this 5 minute high over there, which when the market opened we saw big leg to the upside, and that was my only take profit. And my other take profit was just these 1 minute highs, and we had this 5 minute high over there, which I didn't hold my position. I closed all of my position after TP1 got hit. Since on Friday I took a trade and I put my TP based on a 15-minute time frame, yeah. So what happens is that I was like so close, like maybe 3 or 2 candle away from my take profit, but the price went higher. So that's why I was a bit like careful with my take profit today. And yeah, it was a nice trade. It was 1.5 risk score ratio trade. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow, and I will be doing a series, and you will know that in the next video what it's gonna be about.